Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Stephy's Space. But if this is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome to Stephy's Space. So today I'll be answering some questions like get to know me tag. I went on Google and I got some questions. So please, if you see me looking down, I'm trying to get the questions from my phone. Yeah, I've already written down the questions, so I'll just be reading them out and then I'll be answering them as well. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get into the questions. Okay, so welcome back. Let's just go into this video. So, what is your name? My name is Choma Stephanie Onyeka. Yes. How old are you? I will be 30 in 2 weeks. Yeah, I'm August born. Yes, so I'll be 30 soon. How many siblings do you have? I have four siblings, two boys and two girls. I'm the fourth, so I have four younger siblings. Yes. What's your favorite childhood toy? My favorite childhood toy, baby doll, of course. You know those dolls that their legs are like this? Yes. They used to be my favorite, and I can't wait to start buying them for my daughter. Who are your favorite YouTubers? Okay. I love my favorite YouTubers are there are plenty because I watch plenty of them, like so many of them. Like, my favorites. Alma Ngo, Nelo Keke, Adeze Space, Shades of Somi, and then I love is it Oma Pretty Oma? Yes, Pretty Oma, Winifred Carr, Judith Orevo, yeah, that's her name. Who again? Dimma Ume. Honestly, I enjoy watching them. Okay, are you married? Yes, I am married with one baby. Yes, a baby girl. You get to meet her soon. Yeah. What's your biggest fear? My biggest fear is the fear of losing a loved one. Like it scares me so. I don't even want to. I don't even like thinking about it. Have you ever cheated in a test? Yes, I have. I've cheated in a test. Yes, I've cheated in a test before. Do you enjoy shopping at the mall or online? Yeah, sometimes online, sometimes at the mall. It depends on what I want to shop. Sometimes I would just want to go to the mall, like to pick what I want, say it before paying. You get, some things now. I don't have strength for what you ordered versus what you
Coffee
got.
or tea?
Tea. Wait, oh, when I mean tea, I'm not saying tea like green tea or ginger tea. No, when I mean tea, hot choco, like tea, milk and Milo. What's your best subject in school? I would say maths. Yeah, in secondary school, like I was good with maths, I would say. Yeah, so I loved it then. Would you rather be able to fly or be invisible? I'll prefer to be invisible. Yes, if I'm invisible, I'll be able to go to wherever I want to go to without people seeing me. How many pets do you have? I don't have a pet because I don't like pets. I beg. You see, anything that is breathing aside from human being, count me out. I am not there. I don't like pets, please. What is the most embarrassing memory from school? Most embarrassing memory from school. I put on myself in secondary school. I think that's the most embarrassing moment in school. My embarrassing moment memory in school. Are you more like your mom or your dad? I'm more like my dad. Yes, I look more like my dad. And now my daughter looks more like her father and is vexing me. You see what I did to my mother? My daughter did it to me. You see, do me, I do you. God no go vex. I mean, man no go vex. The best thing about where you live, hey, light. We dey get light. The best thing about where I live is we have lights, like NEPA light. If you're in Nigeria today and you're having at least, should I say, let me not exaggerate much. Let me not like not too much lie. At least 20 hours, 20. I should say 20 to 22 hours. What is something you want to improve on? Yeah, I want to improve on myself so well. Like, I procrastinate a lot. I'm telling you, like, Baba, I can procrastinate. Yes. I will do this thing today. Today will come. I will look for an excuse not to do it again. But I really want to. I think that is my biggest problem. I can procrastinate. Like, it's a problem for me. I will really love. Do you have any secret that nobody knows? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. And now, if I say it is no longer a secret, so I'll be able to fly or read minds. In this situation, what I want use person mind do. Whatever you're thinking is for you. I would rather be able to fly. Please, in this situation, I would prefer to fly. What I want enter person mind they do. All right. It's it's not for me. What is the first thing you would do if you had the power of invisibility? I will travel. I will travel. Is it travel? No. I think I will go to Aso Rock first and start operating. Like, I'll start doing magic. Yes, I'll go to Aso Rock first. I think that's the first thing I will do. I will be going, I'll go to Aso Rock first and I'll start operating. Maybe if I come, if Buhari wants to sit down, I'll remove his chair. He will hit his bum bum on the ground. Yes. I'll start tormenting all our politicians. Yes. So please, if you know how I'm going to be invisible, let me know. What is your favorite drink? She exotic. That pineapple and coconut. Yes, that's my favorite drink. Is your favorite breakfast food? I love oats. Oats and oats and fruits garnished inside. Yes. What animal do you think is the cutest? I don't know why, but for the weirdest reason, like I don't know, rats. Rats are so cute. I don't know, but I say my husband gets to see he hates rats like so much. For me, I feel they are cute. I can't keep them though. I can't keep them as pets. I don't even like seeing them, but I feel they are. As in, how small, their face are so like their face. They have those small face. So to me, I feel they are the cutest. What is your favorite social media app? Instagram. Yes, Instagram. I would say Instagram. Yes. How many hours a day do you spend on your phone? See, any little time I have, like any little time I have away from taking care of my baby or doing some of the things in the house, mom life and all that, I'm on my phone. So I don't even count it, but I know any little time I have, it's either I'm sleeping, but more of on my phone. Do you like cold or warm weather? I beg, I like cold though. How tall are you? I'm I'm tall. I am tall. I don't even know, but I think 5.89. So, but I'm tall. I'm a tall. Heels or flats? Hmm. Before now, it used to be heels, but now flats. Or I can actually do those small kitten heels. Yeah, that is my go-to shoe now. Are you ticklish? Yeah, very, very ticklish. Yes, please. I can fight someone because of that. Please don't tickle me. I'm very ticklish. Okay, I think this is the last question. Yes. Yes, this is the last question. This is the end of my video, and this is the end of this question section. So please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please help this channel to grow by subscribing. Please just hit the button and turn on your post notification button so you get notified when I post any video. People should help this channel to grow. Please, I'm begging. People should just help this channel to grow.